Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. My name is Anitra Renee, and before you leave, don't forget to join the tribe and tap that subscription button and subscribe. To all my OGs, what's up girlies? Welcome back. Yes, I have some updates to share with you guys about the DIY IKEA walk-in luxury on a budget closet. Y'all, I finally, I'm just adding a couple of finishing touches. Literally, the closet is like 90% complete. Let me say this, I'm sorry, not the whole closet. This side, if you've been following me and watching from part 1, I said we're going to be doing my whole entire book closet. But we're just going to start off with the IKEA Billy bookcases on the right hand side. The right hand side was the worst side, y'all, because my clothes rack it fell off the wall and it was like, girl, it's time. So throughout this series, I've been taking y'all along on the journey with me with kind of converting this first side of the closet. I do have the other side to do, and I told you guys, I believe on part 2, that I was going to be converting or starting on part 2 at least before the end of the summer. Y'all know how IKEA is. Some pieces are in, some pieces are out. You have to wait till they come back in. I'm currently now waiting on a dresser to be restocked in IKEA, but I'm going to stop rambling. Pretty much this video is part 5, and y'all are going to see that I have made a lot of progress, and I just can't wait to do the final reveal with y'all. I'll do like a little walkthrough of that side, but right now this is going to be more of a montage of me just kind of sorting and organizing pretty much all of my shoes and bags, so y'all will really get a really good view. Kind of like, just imagine with me, y'all are going to get a really good view of what it pretty much looks like now before the final, walkthrough reveal. So I'm going to stop talking, quit rambling. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not too long. So if I just want to encourage you, if you want to start doing your closet like on a budget and you feeling overwhelmed because custom closet prices are super expensive, I would suggest IKEA. I think they're affordable pieces. I know people say that it's cheap. Of course, it's a less expensive option, but I think it holds up if you for a long time if you take care of it. And I just mean, like, don't be too hard on it, obviously, but I think it will hold up. I think it looks good, and I think their prices are, affordable for the everyday worker. So nevertheless, I hope you girlies enjoy. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. We'd love to have you. Me and the girl gang, the tribe. So go ahead and tap that subscription button and subscribe. Make sure to like this video and turn on your bell notifications so you won't be late to any of my uploads. So love you girlies, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I just wanted to show y'all these shoes. Look how cute these shoes are. Believe it or not, I have not worn any of these heels. All of these heels are brand new. That is a shame. When I took them out of the boxes, I was like, I'm not gonna lie, I did remember I had these, but I did not remember I had all of these black heels. So this year we definitely will be doing some holiday parties and in attendance, y'all. When I got these, I was super excited about wearing them and never wore them. So I really hope I get an opportunity to go to a nice holiday party this year to wear these. And I was gonna go to my work's holiday party last year, and then I flaked out and didn't go. I probably should have gone because I would have already had me some shoes. But these are so super cute. I got them from Macy's, made by International Concepts. I want to say they were probably, I know I got them on sale because y'all know Macy's always has a sale. I'm pretty sure they were no more than $100, but I'm not sure. I did get them, I know, a couple years ago. But so far, so good. I do think I am going to add a shelf, another shelf here, now that I'm not going to stand the boots up. I think standing the boots up, you know, with the inserts, I'd be losing some space. And then these boots, unfortunately, don't fit because the depth of the bookcase isn't as deep as it needs to be. So I'll probably might be putting them over there or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out later on. Or maybe they might even go over here since this is not enclosed. I might add a shelf and push those up and put these at the bottom. As a matter of fact, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go get another 2 shelves. And so we can kind of just coordinate it all black. Since there is 3 pair of shoes, I'm pretty sure they'll fit there, and then I can push those up. So far so good. And I think I'm going to drop this down so that I have more space, because you guys, I have, now that I see that 4 are fitting, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have those 2, and I'm pretty sure I know I have another pair of black sandals here. I'm pretty sure I have another black pair, but we'll start getting into like the browns and nudes next. I'm pretty much trying to put all of my neutral colors for the most part down here, and then when I get up here to sandals and slides, those will be all probably mixed in. So back to the organizing.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.